Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. So right now we have an amazing kit that is worth $400 on sale, basically for more than half off. So in Canada, so at the most you would pay about $175. So I can show you guys actually. Sorry, let me stop sharing my screen. I want to show you guys what is in the kit. So I did show you guys a picture, but it kind of helps to see, I think, what's actually in the kit with the shipping and handling prices. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. So I will actually leave the link for this for you guys on the bottom. I do have it in my Facebook group too, so make sure to be a part of that. Facebook.com/groups Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. So I will leave that for you guys at the bottom. But this is what's inside your kit. So it is actually more than $400 worth. It is now worth $450. Technically, if you're in Canada, it's closer to $500 because for Canada, we pay $175. In the US, it's $150 plus taxes and shipping. But you can get all of this. That is a huge amount of different things. Plus you get some Epicure samples. You will get some cookware, everything. So even if you don't want to necessarily sell, sorry guys, I thought, oh, sorry. Somebody's at the door. Hold that thought. Let's see. There we go, everybody. Sorry about that. Somebody was just at the door. But yeah, so this is amazing. As I said, I can leave the link for you guys at the bottom. But even if you don't want to necessarily sell to other people, but you just want this for yourself, now is the time. That's when I first actually signed up for Epicure, was because I just wanted the kit and I wanted pretty much everything in the kit anyway. And for me to buy it separately, it would have been like up to $500. So I kind of thought, well, why not just sign up? And then things honestly just happened naturally from there. Once people knew that I sold Epicure, once people saw like all of my Epicure stuff or tried some of my, cooking, they're like, oh my goodness, what is this? Like, I've never had this before. Where did you buy it? And that's just kind of how it happened. And then people start buying from you and you make commissions. So I can leave the link for you guys, as I said, on the bottom. If you have any questions, let me know. I am more than happy to help. And I will talk to you guys very, very soon.